When it comes to maintaining or upgrading your home in Bluffdale, replacing windows is one of the smartest investments you can make. Whether you're dealing with drafty frames, outdated designs, or rising energy bills, cost-effective window replacement solutions offer a practical way to enhance your home's comfort, aesthetics, and value. This guide explores affordable options, benefits, and tips for homeowners seeking the best deals in Bluffdale. Why replace your windows? Homeowners often hesitate to replace their windows due to cost concerns, but the long-term benefits far outweigh the initial expense. Here are some compelling reasons to consider window replacement. Energy efficiency. Old or damaged windows are a common source of energy loss, causing your heating and cooling systems to work harder. Energy-efficient replacement windows with double or triple glazing help regulate indoor temperatures and lower utility bills. Improved comfort. Modern windows are designed to reduce drafts, noise pollution, and UV exposure, making your home more comfortable and enjoyable. Enhanced curb appeal. Upgraded windows can transform your home's exterior, giving it a fresh, modern look that boosts resale value. Increased security. New windows often come with advanced locking mechanisms and shatter-resistant glass for improved safety. Cost-effective window replacement options. Bluffdale homeowners have access to a variety of budget-friendly window replacement options that don't compromise on quality. Here are some popular choices. Vinyl windows. Vinyl windows are one of the most affordable and low-maintenance options available. They are resistant to moisture, highly durable, and come in a variety of styles and colors to match your home's aesthetic. Bluffdale residents often choose vinyl for its energy efficiency and cost-effectiveness. Fiberglass windows. While slightly more expensive than vinyl, fiberglass windows offer exceptional durability and insulation. They mimic the look of wood but require less maintenance, making them a popular choice for Bluffdale's varying climate conditions. Aluminum windows. For homeowners seeking a sleek, modern aesthetic, aluminum windows provide a lightweight and sturdy solution. Though they may not offer as much insulation as vinyl or fiberglass, their cost and longevity make them a practical choice for specific applications. Energy-efficient glass. Upgrading to energy-efficient glass, such as low-E, low-emissivity coatings or double-glazed units, can significantly reduce energy costs while improving comfort. These features are often available in combination with vinyl, fiberglass, or wood frames. Window insert. If your existing frames are in good condition, window inserts are a cost-effective way to replace the glass without the expense of full frame replacement. These fit directly into the existing frame and are ideal for budget-conscious homeowners. Tips for saving on window replacement in Bluffdale. Maximize your investment with these cost-saving strategies. Take advantage of rebates and incentives. Many energy-efficient window upgrades qualify for federal or state rebates. Check for local programs in Bluffdale that could offset your upfront costs. Replace multiple windows at once. Many contractors offer discounts for bulk installations. Replacing several windows simultaneously can lower your overall cost per unit. Choose standard sizes. Custom windows often come with a higher price tag. Opting for standard-sized replacements can help keep costs manageable. DIY finishing. While professional installation is recommended for optimal performance, you can save money by handling tasks like painting or finishing yourself. Work with local contractors. Hiring a trusted Bluffdale-based contractor can help reduce transportation and material costs while supporting local businesses. The installation process. Knowing what to expect during the installation process can help you prepare and ensure a smooth experience. Here's a general outline. Initial consultation and assessment. A professional will evaluate your current windows, discuss your preferences, and recommend the best options for your budget. Measuring and ordering. Accurate measurements are taken to ensure a perfect fit, and the chosen windows are ordered. Removal of old windows. The existing windows are carefully removed to avoid damage to surrounding structures. Installation of new windows. Professionals install the new windows, ensuring proper alignment, sealing, and insulation. Final inspection and cleanup. The contractor will inspect the work, make any necessary adjustments, and leave your space clean and ready to enjoy. Choosing the right contractor in Bluffdale. Selecting a reliable contractor is key to a successful window replacement project. Look for companies with experience and expertise. Choose professionals with a proven track record in Bluffdale. Positive reviews. Check online reviews and testimonials from previous customers. Warranty options. Ensure the contractor offers warranties on both the products and the installation. Conclusion. Window replacement is a cost-effective way to enhance your Bluffdale home's energy efficiency, comfort, and curb appeal. With options like vinyl, fiberglass, and energy-efficient glass, there's a solution for every budget. By working with a trusted contractor and taking advantage of incentives, you can enjoy the benefits of new windows without overspending. Start your journey today and transform your home with beautiful, durable, and efficient windows.